a step-by-step guide to installing a WinterKleen cover. Ready for some top tips on installing Daisy's range of WinterKleen pool covers? Well, like all of our products, they're designed to be relatively simple and easy to install. So, let's see what's involved. You'll just need a few simple tools: hammer, screwdriver, impact drill, 12 to 20mm chisel, 10mm drill bit that's supplied with all standard WinterKleen covers, safety glasses, and chalk. The WinterKleen cover will be supplied in a box. Unbox the cover and lay neatly by the pool. Next, unfold onto the pool and centralise the cover. Use something that won't damage the cover or area to hold the WinterKleen in place. Buckets filled with pool water work well. You now need to decide where you will drill the holes for the fixing pins. There are two methods you can choose, with the positioning of the pin being the key difference. We'll focus on the standard installation. You'll see that the installation steps are similar for both options. Start by preparing the attachments by threading the cord through the top of the clamp, not the side, then back through the adjuster. Expert tip: put a knot at the end to stop the cord coming out during install. Position the PVC ground inserts around the pool cover. These should be spread evenly around the pool cover, approximately every 900mm on the straight edges. Along curves and at corners, if you make the tie downs closer, it will help the cover sit better. Mark the final drilling points for the ground insert anchoring points, approximately 200mm from the edge of the cover. Expert tip: use a template that is approximately 400mm in length, for example, using cardboard or your shoe. This is the distance from the pool edge to the anchor point. It is important that you take into consideration any existing fittings or landscaping, for example, handrails. Daisy tie-down fittings are easily adjustable, so any obstacles can usually be accommodated simply by adjusting the tie-down length. To ensure the WinterKleen cover will be positioned centrally over the pool, begin by drilling the holes for several of the tie-downs at either end of the pool. For rectangular pools, start at the four corners. Drill each 10mm hole to a depth of at least 40mm, or through the pavers. It is best not to drill vertically, but angle the hole slightly away from the pool. An angle of 10 to 20 degrees from vertical will create some tension and help to prevent the fitting pin from being pulled out of a vertical hole. Prior to drilling, please be sure you consider the different surfaces you are working with to avoid the potential of cracking, chipping, or damage to the pool surrounds. Once you've drilled the hole, tap the PVC ground insert into the hole until it is flush with the surface of the pool surround. If the insert grips the hole and will not go all the way in, trim off the excess and make it flush with a hammer and a chisel. Then, drill out the centre hole to 6.5mm so the tension peg can easily slide in and out of the insert. Expert tip: you can use a Daisy eyelet punch to trim the plug. To install the cord adjuster to cover, loosen the screw without removing it, slide it over the hemmed cord, then tighten to grip. Adjust the first fittings to take up the slack in the cover only. Once the corners are installed, adjust the cords so they are firm and check the WinterKleen cover is centrally positioned. If the cover is not central, adjust the tie downs before moving on. Drill and install the remainder of the ground inserts. Then, install and adjust all cords, taking the slack and adjust firm as you go. Expert tip: if the tension peg does not slide easily into any ground insert, drill them out to 6.5mm. Once all attachments are installed, adjust all of them tight to take up the tension. Once you've finished adjusting, tie off the loose ends of the tie-down cords with a simple slip knot in front of the adjustable cord lock, or tuck the cord under the cover. This will ensure the cover remains correctly adjusted and tightly fitted. You should keep in mind when measuring and ordering that larger pools may require a float or inflatable device under the cover to keep the middle out of the water. These are sold separately. If you have any questions about installing the WinterKleen cover or any of Daisy's products, please feel free to reach out to your Daisy area manager or to Daisy HQ. We're here to help.